is my very first vlog ever in the McKeefry vlog channel, if that makes any sense. But this is a vlog today, so it's gonna be good. I don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah. There's my pool. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll show you guys it. There's my pool. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there it is. Yeah. I'm gonna go down by the creek. Guys, I'm gonna pick this ball up. Got it. And I'll just throw it over here. It's a very nice day outside today, so yeah. Sorry if my brothers pop in or you see them in the background or somewhere, so yeah. Go down by the creek, whatever. Just so you know, guys, I am kind of a weirdo, so. It's just that I hope my cousin doesn't come here during a video, because I don't know if I'm doing a video. It's a vlog. Yes, this is my own channel. People will definitely be popping in and like, yeah. People will probably think like, why am I talking to a camera? Yeah, it's pretty hot outside, so I'm gonna go inside. I don't know if I'm good with this one or this one. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm good with this one. Oh, there's my top for my slime. I was looking for this. This is Eli, so say hi. And then Max is too scared. Yeah, but this is my little doggy, Axel. Say hi, Axel. I don't know if you guys can see him. This is my squishy collection, so I'll show you guys my squishy collection today. I'll just do it like, sorry about the TV in the back. Yeah, kind of. Well, the person that's saying that over here. Okay, so my brother's gonna come downstairs. I know he's gonna help me with my squishy. Yeah.
Do you need me to carry this?
Sure. It's not so heavy, but shall we down here? Yeah, we're gonna.
Is it gonna work out?
Okay, let's go in the back room then. So the back room will be the greatest. Oh, the laundry's going. Okay, so we're going back here. Although it's back there, they were talking about. Because we can just do it out here. Okay, so how am I gonna do it? Okay, my brother's helping me with my camera thingamajig. Lift you guys up more.
Follow me on Instagram.
At McKeefry. Plug, plug, plug. That's good. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I'm sorry if you can see the bin and my brother, but also the very first squishy I'll be showing you guys. I don't have the biggest squishy collection package ever, but here's that one. It's not slow rising as like it looks. I don't know. Yeah, it's very weird. I don't know. This was my very first squishy ever. So yeah, that's that.
small one I saw it the other day.
Oh,
Is it in there?
no.
Oh.
Next one is this, if you want to. But is this bread loaf? It smells like butter, so and it, or a loaf of bread or bread loaf, I don't know. And then it has four slices cut up, maybe. I don't know. And after they just put them on here. And then my next squishy I have is this bunny. This one smells like butter too. Sorry about if you can hear the laundry and the air going, but yeah. So that's my bunny. It's not squishy, but this one's like dense. This one's soft and squishy. I just said it's not squishy. I meant it's not slow rising, but it's squishy. Here you go. Oh, thank you. This one is very dense and dirty, and it has tons of defects. But yeah, and that's only my fourth squishy. I can't remember how many squishies I have, but this one, all of these mostly are Banggood squishies, and Wish.com squishies, which I'll just put them in the description down below. I don't know if I'll maybe put both of them. So then, that's my yeah. This is my baby milk bottle. It has measurements and he shut the door. I thought it was like something else, but it smells like milk. I mean, not milk, butter kind of. And it's pretty dense. It's squishy but dense too. I don't know if that makes any sense for like a squishy tuber. So this is the tiniest one here. This is like pretty slow rising. This is a donut, and somebody took a bite out of it, and it's blue frosting. It's pretty slow rising, not the slow rising. I mean, it has some leftover sprinkles, kind of, but there's not that many sprinkles on there because I've been squishing this one a lot. And now the second one, my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seventh one is this little cute mad face. It has one defect in the back. It's very cute. It's very squishy. It smells kind of weird. It smells kind of minty-ish. And then here's my very bad defect penguin, but it's slow rising. It smells like soap. Yeah, so great. This one isn't a squishy at all, but it's a donut that I made with my friend at our house, and yeah, it's art craft, and yeah, I didn't do so good. It was supposed to be a donut dripping. Excuse me. I didn't burp. Something got caught in my throat. Now this seal that smells like soap. It's a very adorable. It's black and white. Pretty sure that's my 8th squishy. We have apparently 4 more squishies left, so I'll do this one. This is my defective owl, if that makes any sense. So yeah, that's that. And then my brother's making a noise because upstairs, when you go upstairs in the mudroom, that's the shoe room. There's a hole that goes down to you, so you can yell through it. And yeah, he's yelling through it right now. So it's kind of fun. Yeah, there's a hole. I don't know if I can show you guys, but try to. Otherwise, my brother's just yelling really loudly. And this is my blue baby. This is my teal baby bird. Very cute. Sorry if you hear like noises like chairs or something, but since we're downstairs, I'm sorry if like you can barely hear me, but. And this is my not slow rising strawberry, and it smells so good. It smells just like strawberries. So yeah. It's a jumbo strawberry. And then my last, it's a really squishy. It's the jumbo mango. I love keeping it in the packaging. I'll just put it back in there. Ah! I caught it, guys. Now I dropped it again. Okay, great. It's a really mango, the jumbo mango, and I love this so much. Let's get this. So slow rising. I'll just throw it on me in here for now, since this squishy collection video is. Oh, sorry, I just had to check. Oh, So yeah. It has so much details. It's like a golden stem. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe down below. Comment if you want. And goodbye.